Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a very exciting video for you. Today we are going to unbox and review the Mokobara Intransit backpack, which is a premium laptop bag with a lot of features and functionality. Wow, this backpack looks amazing. It's made of vegan leather and nylon fabric, which are both water resistant and durable. The color I chose is crypto, which is a dark grey with black accents. It has a sleek and minimalistic design, which I really like. The backpack comes in two sizes, 20 liters and 30 liters. I got the 30-liter one, which can fit up to 16 inches laptop. The weight of this backpack is around 1.57 kgs. Mokobara offers a 12 months limited warranty on all the bags and accessories purchased from mokobara.com. The warranty covers the repair or replacement of any defective material or component. It does not warrant against normal wear and tear. The backpack has a 180-degree clamshell opening, which makes it easy to access and organize your stuff. The main compartment has a padded laptop sleeve with a lock strap, which can keep your laptop secure and protected. There's also a zippered mesh pocket for your cables, chargers, and other accessories. The main compartment is spacious enough to store your clothes, books, or anything else you need for a short trip. The front compartment is a bucket pocket which can store your toiletries, snacks, or other essentials. It has a retractable key holder, a card holder, pen pockets, slip pockets, and a zippered pocket for your valuables. The front compartment also has a magnetic flap closure which makes it easy to open and close. The backpack also has two hidden side pockets which can hold your water bottle or umbrella. They are discreet and convenient and they don't add any bulk to the backpack. The backpack also has a luggage sleeve which can slide over the handle of your suitcase and make your travel easier. The backpack also has a silicone grab handle which is comfortable and sturdy. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable and they have easy length adjustment buckles. The backpack is very comfortable to wear and it doesn't feel heavy or bulky. It has a good balance and distribution of weight and it doesn't strain your back or shoulders. The backpack also looks very stylish and professional and it can match any outfit or occasion. I think this backpack is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile and functional laptop bag, whether for work, school or travel. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the Mokobara Intransit backpack. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what do you think about this backpack and if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.